Hi, I'm Zara, and I just got hiccups, which means it's time to investigate. Under your lungs sits your diaphragm. It controls your breathing, but sometimes it spasms. Air rushes in too fast. Vocal cords snap shut. Hic! But why do we even have this reflex? Millions of years ago, humans shared an ancestor that lived in water. That creature had gills. Hiccuping closed them. We lost the gills, kept the hiccup. Here's the mind blow. No one, not even scientists, has found a proven cure for hiccups. Holding breath? Not proven. Drinking water? Not proven. Your body just stops when it feels like it. So next time you hiccup, that is a 500 million year old reflex saying hello. Nobody can stop it. Not even science. I'm Zara. See you in next adventure. Hey, if you're curious like Zara, hit subscribe. New science adventure every week right here on Kidosityy.